Hi, I'm Eric with MarineMax Westbrook, and we are on a 2026 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. Great boat for a bunch of different reasons. This boat has some really neat options on it as well. It's powered by the Mercury 115 horsepower engine. We've got the seating package, so you've got these aft seats that go in. This backrest fits into the rod holders, which you can see on the starboard side. We've got our reversible leaning post with storage underneath. So this guy flips forward. For those of you that like to stand and drive, you can rest right against this, lean up, or while you're driving seated, flips right back nice and easily. We've got the higher standard bow rails on here, side rails, split bow rail on this one. Up at the helm, we've got our Simrad multifunction display, analog controls, all of our switches, and we've got the Simrad VHF radio installed as well. On the port side, you've got battery access, your battery switch, and a little bit of storage underneath the console. Moving forward, this is part of the fishing package. So we've got our cooler with cushion, our backrest, which doubles as rod holders here. And now on the side of the console, we've got tackle storage. That's all part of the fishing package. Here at the bow, we've got a really nice area to lay out in. The cushions actually fold in half and make it for easy storage or to move them around easily. Underneath the forward section is our anchor, and then this back half is the fish box. So if you want to fill it with ice and use it for beverages, you can do that. Or if you're filling it up, get ready to bring your catch home. Great spot to load fish under here. Again, the split bow rail makes it nice and easy for anchoring. So as you're taking your anchor out, you don't have to go under the railing. You can just heave it right over the front and not have to worry about any tangles. And it's also a really nice spot if you're going bow in at the dock, just hopping in right over that without having to climb over the rail. This boat also does come with the bimini top, which offers great protection on the hot days. Really nice coverage for the bimini top all the way over the helm seat itself. This boat is white with red graphics. Come on down to Westbrook MarineMax and check it out.